Today, I'm excited to share how we can bitstream Atmos and DTS from a file like MKV or MP4 using XBox and a Plex player. It's a problem I've been trying to solve for a while using Roku and LG TV, and none of them does bit streaming. On the internet, we see options like buying NVIDIA Shield or a Zupidi player, but I didn't want to get a player like Zupidi that can only play back. It just has this specific functionality of playing back media, whereas with an Xbox, you can also watch Netflix, Hulu, and play games, right? So there's lots more things you can do with an Xbox, and the Xbox S series is $300, and during sales you'll get it at a much cheaper price. Here is the solution. So here we go with, you need an Xbox, a Plex server, and a receiver that can deal with DTS or Atmos. The Xbox setting for me, it's set to Dolby Atmos, but this setting shouldn't have any effect as far as bit streaming goes. This is more for when you play games, and when Xbox needs to generate sound, it's going to convert it into Atmos and drive your speakers. This is the interesting setting, which is allow pass-through. So now if your receiver is capable of decoding a particular type of stream, Xbox will just send the bit stream over. And this is the main thing that you need to set to get this working. The Plex settings I have, it shouldn't really matter. The audio in Plex setting, there is nothing that says bit stream or anything like that. And video, I have those direct play and direct stream enabled. But I don't think these makes any effect, but I just captured it just in case people wondered what is it that I have. The receiver I'm using is a Marantz SR5015. So my testing was done using this one, and it's working fine. As long as you have a receiver processor that's capable of doing Atmos or DTS, the bit streaming and decoding should work fine. So here's an example where Fast and the Furious 7, the soundtrack is DTS HD. So Marantz and Denon, they all have this app which will show what is the sound mode it's currently in. And I took a screenshot of that, and we can see it is in DTS X Master, which means this bit streaming is working correctly. And it's the Marantz that's doing the decoding. And if you run an Atmos like Indiana Jones, again, the sound mode shows up as Dolby Atmos, and it all works fine. So I think this is a very good solution, just getting Xbox Series S, which is $300 today when I checked on Amazon. And during Thanksgiving, I think it came down to $250 or so. So now you can play your Atmos tracks, DTS tracks, play games, and you can also stream Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, right? Xbox has all those apps too. And that's it. Thank you. Hopefully this solves a question for other people on how this is to be done.